Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to hyperlink a document within Microsoft Word. So assuming we have a Microsoft Word document, let's say we search for Word document. All right, so let's say we open this and we open a sample template of this newer reports. So maybe along this we want to hyperlink some documents, maybe some Word documents, maybe some pictures, and maybe some PowerPoint document that once you click on the link, it's going to take you to that particular location. So let's give it let's take an example. Assuming we want to put in a picture to this. So let's say we have a reference down here, maybe let's say my picture. So we can just highlight it. So the first thing to do is to highlight that particular word you want to hyperlink. So you just highlight it and you right click, and you can see link over here. Okay, so you click on link and it will take you to the location where you can link. Basically there are different types. You can link a document, existing file, or web page. So if you have a web page, you can just put it over here. Okay, so for this case we want to attach a document or a web page. Let's say we attach a document, a file, so we just click on this and we can navigate to the location and just attach. So let's say we're attaching these thumbnails too, and we just select it and we click on OK, and this thumbnail is going to be over here. So once you hold Control and click on this, it's going to open this particular attachment that we just linked. So you click on this and you say yes, allow, and you can see it over here just opened. So we can attach multiple. So let's say again we want to put in something, let's say Epic Mentorship. So we want to attach a link, we want to link this to our website. So we want to link this to our website. All you need to do is just to select it, right? So click on link, and then we make sure we select existing file or web page. You can just put in the website, right? So once you put the website correctly, you just click on OK, and it's going to be linked to this address. So once you hold the Control key and click on this, it's going to automatically open this website using the default browser. And you can see in our own case it just opened this website. Let's try to link a Word document also within Word document. Okay, so you select it, you right click and say link. So let's say we'll click on this Word document. You can put in even PDF document. So you select, right click, we just open and you can see it. So let's try to link my passport. Okay, so let's select it, right click and say link. Make sure you select this, and let's say we go to not my document, let's say we go to my pictures. Let's say we are linking this image down here. We've just linked it, so we hold Control and we click allow. It's going to open it directly. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to link particular document within a text within Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.